In this video, we'll show you two ways to install the load stoppers. The first method uses the pre-assembled stopper, while the second method installs the T-slot hardware first. Let's get started. Open the crossbar end cap and peel back the rubber strip to expose the T-channel. Slide the pre-assembled load stopper into the T-channel. Move it to the desired position, then hand tighten the knob to secure it. If needed, cut the removed rubber strip to size and reinstall it over any exposed sections of the T-channel. Slide the T-slot plate into the channel and move it to the desired position. Position the load stopper body over the metal piece. Insert the hand knob through the stopper body, then tighten it until the stopper is secure. Repeat the same process for the remaining load stoppers. Adjust their positions to fit your cargo, then make sure every hand knob is fully tightened. This is how the load stopper should look once the installation is complete.